Hi everyone, Mrs. Scratch Queen is here, and sad to say this is going to be GA Scratcher and I's last week for the challenge of the Houston, Texas versus the Dirty Birds. So sorry. And, my puppy. I think he is at 33 and I am at 55. I am not too sure. I'm sorry, but I think I'm in the lead, and in the last couple of weeks I know I have not won. But the last I had was 55. So everyone, welcome to Sunday Night Fever, Dirty Birds versus the Texans, featuring GA Scratcher. Alright, so we have tickets $38.39. Let's see what we can get. And y'all go check him out. Check him out. See what he's up. I might be wrong. Alright, let's see if we find a goalpost. I'm still searching for that goalpost, y'all. Oops, more scratching the prize amounts. And it was fun, Jay. Thank you so much for asking me to do this with you. I had fun. It was a blast. I think it's kind of hard to scratch. Alright, we didn't get any symbols. Do we have a 5? Nope. Do you want to give us a 4? 10. We have an 11. 23. Nope. 24. 2. Nope. 39. Oh, nope. They gave us a 38. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Ticket 39. Let's do the numbers. We are looking for 29, 5, 28, 27, and 40. We have a 39, 31, 17, 20, 10, 36, 35, 18, 13, 6, 25, 12, 23, 33, 34, 32, 22, 15, 19, 1. Alright, so we ended this challenge with a losing session, but that is okay. I hope he has a great win. I hope he does better than me. And everyone, go sub to him. If you're not sub to him, I will have his link in the description. Sorry, my puppy's over here dropping stuff. No! Uh-oh. Okay, I got it. Y'all, please go sub to him. He has some great content. He has books, mini books, all the good stuff over there, y'all. Great content. And once again, GA, thank you again for doing this challenge. It was so fun. And sorry to say it's our last week, but it was a blast. All right, everyone, have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.